Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and the linked Google account. This matters because most recovery paths rely on account access. Once done, make sure the phone has power and connectivity, and check whether USB debugging was enabled earlier. That unlocks safe, advanced options. Also look for Samsung Find My Mobile or any saved password manager entry. They often store prior lock info. Proceed only if you can authenticate with those accounts, because we won't perform unauthorized bypasses. Next, use built-in account recovery. Attempt the Google account prompt on the lock screen or smart lock trusted places and devices. These restore access without data loss. Once you've exhausted that, try Samsung's Find My Mobile to remotely unlock if applicable. If you had USB debugging enabled earlier, connect the phone to a trusted PC and use ADB tools to list or backup lock files. This lets you inspect or restore a previous lock state safely. Stay logged into your accounts throughout. Finally, if you legitimately backed up the previous pattern file, restore the /data/system/gesture. Key via ADB or a rooted file manager. That returns the old pattern. If you lack backups and cannot authenticate, you may need a factory reset to regain use of the device. Make sure any cloud backups are safe first. If something goes wrong, recheck USB connection, confirm the PC's ADB authorization, and re-authenticate the Google or Samsung account. That often resolves permission or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.